Hi everyone, welcome to my glitter series. Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about Olaf from the Glitter Guy. Olaf is a hacked glitter, so this means you can put it directly over spray paint on a tumbler and it will look as if you glittered the cup that color of glitter. So it's really cool. There are a lot of different hacked glitters, but today we're talking about this one. So it is Olaf and it is a chunky mix. So there's a lot of big cuts of glitter in here along with some smaller cuts as well. Olaf has two glitter buddies, snowgies, and flurries. So a glitter buddy is a glitter that is the same color, but it is a different cut of glitter. So snowgies is the fine cut at 0.010, flurries is the medium cut at 0.040, and Olaf is the chunky mix. Here's an example of Olaf in a mold. So you can see all the different sizes that are in there. And you can see the way it shines. I think this one is so pretty in a mold. You can find this glitter and many others at theglitterguy.com. Thanks for watching.